Hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening to each one of you. Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back to the class. Welcome back to this session. With me, Gaurav Singh Bhadoria, your reasoning educator. So this is going to be your 21st mock test and already 20 mock tests we have conducted so far. So especially those who are targeting SWPU examination, today is already Monday, so you do not have many days left in your exam day. So try to utilize these days very carefully and in a fully planned way. Right. So revision in these remaining 6, 7 days and also giving sufficient number of mock tests plays a very crucial role that will decide as in how your examination is going to be. Right. So use these days in the right direction with the right guidance and with the right study material, especially focus on revision. Right. Moving forward. So initial 2, 3 questions are going to be based on this question, that is your pair finding, because in your prelims examination definitely one question either word based or number based will be asked to you from this alphabet test topic. So how many pair of letters, how many pairs simply you can see in this, both in forward and in backward direction. The word given to you is dashboard, dashboard. Yes, the word given to you is dashboard. All right, both in forward and in backward direction. BOARD, dashboard. All right, let me share the session once. And meanwhile, all of you, please share your session. Audio is fine, no such issue. Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome and a very good evening to each one of you. Hmm. Shall we see number of pairs both in forward and in backward direction? The word given to you is dashboard. Starting in the forward direction, D. After D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, H, I, J, K, L, M, B, C, D, E, F, O, P, Q, R, A, B, C, D. नहीं नहीं. In forward, you do not have any pair. Reverse, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, A, B, C, D, E, F, नहीं है, O, P, Q, R, S, T, B, C, D, E, F, H, S, नहीं. So I think there will be no such pair that has as many number of letters in this word as it is having in English alphabetical series. So no problem, my answer will be 0. It is possible, everything is possible. No problem. Check this out. Small conceptual question based on your direction and distance. Right. Based on direction and distance, read it, understand it, and then answer this carefully. Ravi is walking in the east direction initially. After covering a distance of 1 kilometer, he turns that 45 degree and 90 degree right. In which direction is he now? Let us initially take the sign convention east, west, north, and south. I am walking. The person is walking in east direction after covering a distance of 1 kilometer. This is 40. This is 90 degree. This is east direction, right? Now I am turning now. So when I am going in this direction, upside north, mein, I will be having my left hand. Niche, I will be having my right hand. So now I am turning 45 degree left. So if I would not have turned, I would have moved in this direction. But I am turning towards my left 45 degree. So I'm turning now, looking in this direction, northeast, then 90-degree right. So from this angle, 90-degree right, I will be looking in this direction, southeast. Southeast. Southeast will be the answer, right? I hope this solution is clear, explanation, everything. Moving forward, check this out. Direction based. 4 to 5 questions I have bought today for direction, distance. Check these out. And of course, we have setting arrangement and puzzle also. No need to worry about that. X is 3 to the west of y. If this is y, this will be x. X is 3 west of y, who is facing north direction, right? Again, north direction. So my sign convention, east, west, north and south. Z is 2 south of y. Z is 2 south of y, and this distance was 3. Write the distance also. A is 5 southwest of Z. B is north of A. All right. So A is 5 southwest of Z. Somewhere here this will be 5 southwest of this, and direction B is 2 north of A. B will be somewhere here only. Direction of B with respect to X. So direction of B with acha 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 acha. See, it is Z. Let's draw it separately. This will be A 5 and this is B, right? That is 2. है ना? Mhm. If this is a triangle, let's suppose, right? This is a triangle. Can I find this distance? This is B. Can I find this distance? Square of 5, 25 minus 4, that is 21. Under root of 21. What is the value of under root 21? 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25. 4.5 से ज़्यादा. Can I say it is greater than 4? This value. So ये जो value है, that is greater than 4. This is 3, right? So I have to draw this again, right? This value is 3 and this is somewhere Z. Sorry, this is A and this will be B, right? This is 5, this is 2 and this is greater than 3. 3 say I am comparing with 3, right? So B will be somewhere here beyond X. So now what is the direction of B with respect to X? Southeast. Southwest. Answer will be southwest. Is it okay? This is B X. ये direction ना. This length we have calculated greater than 4. So greater than 4 है तो obviously it has to be greater than 3. This xy was 3, so this will be beyond that, right? So B will be ahead of X in this direction. Direction of B with respect to is southwest. Answer will be southwest. Is it okay? Next. What is the distance between I and E? Check this out. What is the distance between I and E? Hmm. Anyone with the answer? I can see very less students in today's class. Chaliye, no problem. Let us continue. So, G is 9 to the south of E. G is 9 to the south of E. This is E. G. 9 south of E. E is 5 east of K. नहीं, E. हाँ. E is 5 east of K. E will be 5 east of K. K is 4 east of H. K is 4 east of H. I is 5 south of H. This is 9, so this will be I. I will be 5 south of H. J is 7 west of I. This will be J, 7 west of I. L is 8 south of J. This will be L, 8 south of J. Now the question to you was find the distance IE. This is I, this is E. You are required to find this. So if I draw it separately, this is I, this is E, and distance 4 plus 5 is 9. This one is 5. So 9 nines are 81, 5 fives are 25, 6 5 11, 5 6 7, under root 56, right? Answer to this question will become under 26, because I have told you this one thing. Whenever it is asking distance, point to point distance, so always remember that point to point distance is equal to always shortest distance. Point to point distance is shortest distance. It is asking point to point distance. Distance. Find the distance IE. So that means IE, shortest, right? IE. Acha, my mistake. You have to add it, na? Why you are subtracting it? This is the hypotenuse. 516, 8, 9, 10, under root 106. Right? That will be under root 106. You are finding the this hypotenuse, na? Base square plus perpendicular square. Pythagoras theorem. Answer में you will be adding these two values, not subtracting. Next. Again, based on direction distance. Check this out. Distance between PS is given 50, RT is given 60, T is west of R. ठीक है. T is somewhere west of R. Distance is 60. R is north of P. ठीक है. R north of P at a distance of 80. This is 80. S is northwest or south of T. ठीक है. If T is 20 north of S. If T is If T is 20 north of S, then distance between S and R simple है. S is either north, west or south of T. So for this question, it is saying that if T is 20 if T is 20 north of S, right? Then distance between S R, again hypotenuse. 6 6 are 36, 100, 400. 10 bar. 20 under root 10. This will be the answer. Is it okay? 20 under root 10 will be the answer. Conditional question. In your examination, many times you will get such question. These can be framed in any topic, blood relation, direction, for example, that if this is this, then what is the value of this, and so on, right? 20 under root 10 will be the answer. Two more questions based on direction distance. Then we have our usual questions from sitting arrangement puzzle and others. Let's see. Radha moved a distance of 90 meters towards south. 90 meters towards south. She then turned to right 50 meter. This is right 50 meter. Then turned right again 90. This is 90, so this will be 90. Finally turned to right at angle of 135 degree. If the person would not have turned, so would be moving in north direction. 135 is 90 plus 45. To her right. To her right, 90 is this and 45. So I am moving in this direction. This is what, sorry, this is south and east. Southeast. So now the person will be moving in southeast direction. This was the answer to this. I hope it is clear. Any doubt so far? Next, one more set based on direction and distance. Check. Question is given. How far is point P from point W? How far is point P from point W? Okay, a passage. So if such lengthy passage, this much of statements, etc. is given, so easily you can expect 2 to 3 question. Just for reference, I am asking you. I have asked you only one question. Okay, but if such passage is coming, 2 to 3 questions are definitely expected. A person's path is given, starts walking from P towards north. This. Please continue. Take 30 seconds to 1 minute. Shall we see? देखिए. A person starts walking from point P towards north. This much time is sufficient. Let's see. A person starts walking from point P. Let us suppose this is point P towards north to reach Q, which is 19. This distance was 19. He then takes a right turn 22. From here 22 right to reach point R. From R left turn 14. From R left 14 to reach point S. This is point S. Then again he takes a left turn 12. This is 22. Left 12 to reach point T. Right. From T again left turn 18. So 14 left turn. ठीक है. Let me change the color. Left 18. 14 and 4. 4 and 14. 18 to reach point U. He then takes a right turn 15. From here right turn 15. So this is 22. See, this was 22, 12. So can I say that this is 12 and this is 10? So this is 10 and total this one 15. So this will be 5. ठीक है. To reach point V, this is V. Finally takes a left turn W18. From here left W18. Question to you is, how far is P from W? So basically P and W. You need to find this. P and W. For this you want this. Now this was 10, 5. This is 5. ये देखते हैं, right? So this was 14 and 4. This was 4. है ना? This complete was how much? 19. P2Q, that was 19. 4. This will be 15. This is 15. Total is 18. So this will be 3. This is 3. This is 15. This will be 5 5s are 25. 3 3s are 9. 9 5, 16, 36. 6. 6 will be the answer, right? 9 5, 9. Sorry, my mistake. 9 and 5 is 14. 34. Under root 34 will be the answer. Not under root 36. Yes. How far is P from W basically means you need to find, you are required to find the shortest distance only from P to W, right? Now, first set for today's class based on static arrangement and puzzle, that is based on floor arrangement. There are total 9 persons living in a 9-story building. Top to bottom numbering is given. Lowermost floor is numbered as 1. Top wala aapka is numbered 9. So, alright, you can take 1 to 2 minutes. What is the arrangement from top to bottom of these persons? This is what you can answer, right? Maximum 1 or 2 minutes, not beyond that. We will be seeing the solution then, okay? Give it a try, all of you. Shall we see the solution? देखिए, total 9 person, 9 floors, and let's start. What is the arrangement from top to? Numbering is given. Numbering they have given usual condition only. Lowermost numbered one, top floor will be 9. So this is 9. Where do we start? F is living 3 floors above I, who is living on odd number floor. So F is 3 floors above I. This is F, 1, 2, this will be I. F is living above 3 floors above I. So in between 2 floors, always one less. I is on odd floor. अच्छा कुछ और number of FG. ठीक है, let's try to place this. I is on odd. I cannot be on 9. अच्छा नीचे से देखते हैं. I can be on 1. If this is I, then 1 to F, this will be F. If I is on 3, 1 2, this will be F. If I is on 5, 1, 2, this will be F, no other possibility, right? I cannot be on 7 and 9. Number of floors above F is same below G. This condition we have seen plenty of times, above and below. Symmetric condition between F and G. 1, 2, 3 के बाद F, 1, 2, 3 के बाद G, 1, 2, 3 के बाद F, 1, 2, 3 के बाद G, F second, G second. Symmetric condition. You can check also. You can count and check also. Number of floors above and below these two persons definitely will come out to be same. D is 2 floors above H. Do we have H? No. D is living 2 floors above H. H does not live on the adjacent floor of G. H will not be adjacent means आसपास. H is not आसपास of चलो ठीक है. H is not adjacent of G. D. This can be D leaving one H. No. This is D H. This is D H. No. D H. Only one case. यहाँ पे D1H yes. D1H no. D1H G के पास नहीं. तो yes. D1H one case. D1H yes. D1H D1H. D1 D1H D1H. दो केस आ रहे हैं. Let's see. This is F and this is I. है ना? This can be D leaving one H. This can be D leaving one H. Not neighbor of G. So we have one more case. New case. No problem. The number of person F, live floors person F and I. H and E. Floors between F and I is equal to floors between H and E. है ना? Number of floors between F and I is number of floors present between H and E. F and I है आपके पास yes. F and I. Let's change the color. F and I 2. So 2 between H and E. This is H 1 2 E. Not able to place. हटाओ. Fi is equal to He. F से I 2. 2 between H and E. 1 2 not possible. Fi to He. Fi to He. E यहाँ पे 1 2 नहीं. He क्या आता है? Fi He. F से I 2 2 between H and E. H यहाँ पे 1 2 E. This can be 1 2. This can be related to E. E does not live on the adjacent floor of F. E won't be a neighbor of F, so this E is gone. This is E. Bottom पे we will place E. Okay. Hmm. C and E are not on adjacent floors. C and E. C and E. कुछ have we missed anything? Let's see. So F is 3 floors above I who lives on odd. F and G done. D 2 floors above H. H is not an adjacent of G. Fi is equal to He. F से I to H से E. Hmm. E is adjacent नहीं है. हाँ, A is living on even numbered floor. 2 is occupied, 4 is occupied, 6. A on even. 2 occupied, 4 gone, 6 gone, D gone. Now this is wrong. Na? I missed this condition. A was living on even numbered floor, but there is no possibility, though no place to place A in the last case. यहाँ पे I can place A. Now, last. C and E are not an adjacent. C is not neighbor of E. This will be C. Which is the remaining person? B is remaining, I guess. है ना? This is your correct solution. I hope to all of you the solution is clear. Let's see few more questions. Yes. Check this out. Again a floor based. So again you can take 1 to 2 minutes. What is the arrangement from top to bottom of these persons? Arrangement of these persons from top to bottom. I think there is a vacant. No floor below 5 is vacant, right? 7 person, 6 person, 7 building. Okay. Shall we see? This is of vacant floor, right? Persons आपके ज्यादा कम है, floors आपके ज्यादा है, that means one floor is vacant. There are total 7 floor building, 6 person. Ground floor is numbered 1. Usual nomenclature is given. Let's do that first. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Shall we start? देखो. One of the floor is vacant, right? We already knew one floor is vacant. 7 floors are there and 6 persons are there, so floor is vacant. One floor is vacant. ठीक है. A is living on 5th floor, so this is A living on 5th floor. No floor below 5 is vacant. So floor above 5 will be vacant. This can be vacant or this can be vacant. This is vacant floor. We written inside as just a nomenclature, right? No odd floor is vacant, तो confirm हो गया. Even will be vacant. That means this is vacant. Only D lives between F and D. Only D lives between F and D. That means all these three will be consecutive, one by one next to each other. F does not live on odd. F does not live on odd. So F can be on even. F can be on even. This is A. This is vacant. If this is F, then D, then D, because D only D lives between F and D. ठीक है. E does not live on a floor. E does not live on a floor immediate above or below C. E के आसपास C नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. B does not live on bottom. If B is not on bottom, this will be B and this will be C. Now this is wrong. This is right. Why? E और C पास में आ गए ना. It has denied this condition. E does not live on a floor immediate above or below C. E is not a neighbor of C. E is not a neighbor of C. Now, second case will be right. There is no such problem in this second case. There is not violation of any of the statement. Let us solve some pairs. Pairs we have seen. है ना? We will see syllogism. या फिर चलो. Based on order ranking. ना? Let's practice order ranking. In the previous class, if you guys remember, we have solved few questions of order based. Na? Let us solve 3-4 questions of ranking. Okay, ranking based question. Read it carefully. Based on ranking based question. Let us see. And if there are total, some boys are there. P is 14 from left hand. This is person P, 14th from left hand, right? And Q is 7th from right. This will be Q 7th from right hand. If there are 4 between P and Q, take one more option, none of these. If there are 4 boys between P and U, how many persons total? 14 plus 7, 21, 25. Will the answer be 25? Answer is going to be 25. Correct. Next. Check this out. If the rank of a boy in a group is 5th from top, 18th from bottom, then calculate the number of boys required to make the students in that group to be 40. Total 40 students. I need to make that in group. So for that you need to, how many students are needed to add further? Add more. For that you need to know the present boys, yeah, present persons. स्टूडेंट जो भी गिवन है, this rank of this boy is fifth from top and the rank of same person is 18th from bottom, fifth from top, 18th from bottom. So what is the total number of person? 18 and 5 and minus 1. L plus R. I have told you this one thing. Whatever we are learning in horizontal arrangement, left, right, that becomes top and bottom in vertical arrangement. 18 and 5, 23 minus 1, 22. So this 22 is total number of students. Na? Total number of students है, boys है, ठीक है. But you want to make this number to 40. So how many more are required? 18. 18 are more required. Na? 22 plus 18 will give you 40. You want to make that strength as 40. I hope that is clear. Next. I'll give you some time in this, 30 seconds. Take one option as none of these. Check this out. Shall we see? Rahul is ranked 16th from top and 29th from bottom among those who passed the examination, right? So by using these two ranks, you will not be getting the total number of students. You will be getting total number of students who have passed the examination, right? So 29 plus 16, 9 and 6, 15, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 44. So this 44 is the number of students, those who have passed the examination. 6 boys did not participate. Can I write absent? Reason can be anything, but they didn't take part in the examination. And 5 have failed. 5 have failed. Question to you was, how many boys were there in the class? Right. So there will be 3 categories of students in any class. If there is an exam being conducted, number of students who passed, number of students who failed, and number of students who didn't appear or who were absent on that day. If you will add all these 3 data, then you will be getting the total number of person in that class, which I have done exactly. 44 and 6, 55. 55. This will be the answer. Clear? Total number of persons in total number of students in the class, not persons. Is it okay? Perfect. All right, then let us end today's class. Thank you so much for joining this session, and do revise whenever you are watching this session, plus all the previous 20 classes. This is 21st class, and definitely you will be getting good stuff, good material for your practice from these YT sessions. So thank you all for joining me, and have a wonderful day ahead. Keep preparing for your upcoming examination with us. Stay tuned to this channel. Take care and goodbye.